What is Google ADK? Before we answer that question, let's get some perspective. We are in the middle of a massive technological shift. Think about it. First, we had the PCs, then the internet, then the mobile. Each one changed the world. We believe the fourth shift is AI, and specifically the AI agents. Until now, we mostly used AI to chat. We ask it a question, it gives us an answer. But what if AI could do things for us? What if it could not just tell you how to plan an event, but could actually search for vendors on the internet on its own, manage a guest list, and draft the announcement email? That's the difference between a chatbot and an agent. And the framework we're going to learn, Google's ADK, which is Google's Agent Development Kit, is designed to build exactly. So, what exactly is an agent? The simplest way to think about it is an agent has three essential parts: a brain, hands, and a memory. First, at the center, you have the brain, which is the large language model like Gemini. This is the core reasoning engine. The instruction prompt we give it acts as its mission briefing, telling it what its goal is for a specific task. Second, an agent needs hands, and these are its tools. This is the only way the brain can interact with the world, whether it's using Google search to read information from the web or a custom function to write data to a database. The tools are how the agents take action. Third, an agent needs memory, which is the session. This is the agent's short-term memory or notebook. The session allows the brain to remember what you talked about in previous turns, providing the context needed for a coherent conversation. Google ADK is the framework that provides all of this: the structure for the mission briefing, the ability to connect tools, and the system for managing memory. And why are we calling the course the ADK Playbook? This is because we're not just writing code. We're learning the plays or patterns to assemble these components into effective teams. We'll learn the single agent play, the specialist agent play. Eventually, we'll learn how to make a whole team of agents work together on a complex mission. Okay, enough theory. In the next lecture, we're going to dive deep into the code and build our very first agent, the event planner agent. We'll write its mission briefing, give its first tool, and see it in action. Let's get started.